Hey guys, this is a journey to river. You know, we have to pass like this walking track. You know, we know it as a track because normally the whole ancient road, it's a shortcut from the main road, which is down there. The guys can't really see, but meanwhile you can enjoy the view of the horizon. I know that building that you're seeing right there is actually the Merton Boys Home. So entering the main road now. But this is not the part of the river we're going to. This is just where the river crosses the road, go to the ocean, as you can see. The air is a bit still because we need some rain to wash it out and all of that, but we'll get some soon. Across some nice ackee, you know, it's famous for the ackee and saltfish or some bus breadfruit. There you can see, it's a close-up picture. So here we are, coming to the water. So this is the Dam River, aka Jump Off. I mean, this is where we'll be crossing and all of that. So this is the water, guys. Nice, pretty river water. Guys, here's the part that we swim. You can see a nice still water. Nice, beautiful water. Clear to the point where it's a bit glassy, you understand?